awkward.
It's so very quiet in here. We shout out. No cat in the evil this way.
That was nice. I like smashed the wall and like the mirrors jiggled and I was like, oh.
Melanie, can you lick your armpit?
I don't have it, I swear.
Yeah? You can't lick their armpit.
I don't know.
I've never tried.
Where's the camera?
Can you lick your belly
I
button?
don't have it.
Guys, can you lick your belly button?
No.
Where is it?
I don't have it.
How are you? Who has it?
You're so paranoid.
I know it's there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No,
You guys are so guilty.
it is so not.
Melanie is an alien.
It is. You guys are my disciples.
Yeah!
You filled me hard!
Say bye, Melanie.
Goodbye, you stupid little motherfuckers.